Hello everybody! Today we have a PlayStation VR unboxing video, and I am just going to show the PlayStation VR itself instead of me, because it's not about me, it's about this. And this is really cool. I got the Skyrim VR bundle. It did cost a whopping $350, but if I recall when this thing first came out, it was like $400 or $500. I don't remember exactly. So I think we got a pretty good deal. Waited till the price went down and all of that. And the Skyrim VR bundle also comes with the 2.0 version of the VR headset, which is the one that has the integrated headphones and all that stuff. But it's bots and knife. But anyway, so okay, you know what? Let's start with the side one. Who are they trying to keep out of these things, right? All right, what's in this box? It's like Christmas. Ooh. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim VR. Oh, wow. What is this? Ah, Demo Disc 2.0. I didn't know that there was anything in here besides the Skyrim game. That's pretty cool. Okay, so on this real quick, it is, let's see. Battlezone, Dino Frontier, Eve Valkyrie, Fantastic Contraption, Job Simulator, Moss, Res Infinite, Starchild, The Persistence, Thumper, Tiny Tracks, Raw Data, and via download, Starblood Arena. Available via download. Why would they say that if they're giving you a CD? Anyway. Okay, so Skyrim, I have to admit, I have not played Skyrim. I know, I'm like the 1% of the population, but I was a huge Morrowind fan, Elder Scrolls, back in the day, so I figure I'll enjoy it. And they also say, okay, if you have played it, you should try it on VR, and they say if you haven't played it, then you definitely should try it on VR. Let's hope we can get used to the control schemes. We'll do some videos about that later. So this is the new PlayStation camera stand, which still only articulates one way. I don't know why it's new and improved. I think it's just different. Polishing cloth. Aw, thank you, PlayStation. So they're telling us don't forget to wipe, pretty much. Ah, move controller. Okay, so I don't have one of the old ones, but I've seen a couple of comparisons, and the biggest difference I noticed is that this one is matte. The other ones were shiny. So it's got that matte finish on it, and I think the little ball at the top is a little bit smaller on this one. But like I said, I don't have a point of reference for you. So there's that. And people have also expressed that the trigger seems to be a little bit softer. But again, I don't know. I've never had one of these before. It's extremely light, very, very light. There is the new camera. Looks like another controller. Okay, let's put these aside for now. So this is the new and improved camera, and I do have the old one, but I don't have it out right now. It is plugged into the PlayStation. I gotta crawl back there and undo wires and stuff like that. Check out some comparison videos of this one and the old one. Apparently this one has more vibrant colors. That can be proven just by watching those comparison videos, and it has a little bit better low-light performance, but it's relatively the same thing. And also, for those of you wondering, you can use the old camera with the PlayStation VR. It is compatible, so if you have the square, blocky old one, that's totally fine. So not much different from the camera. I doubt that's a Carl Zeiss lens or anything, but hey. Okay, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this. Bye-bye, giant box. Should have rigged up LED lights in here so that when I open it, it would go. Oh. PlayStation VR. Wow, this thing is. Look at that. It's awesome. Giant instruction book. Tells you how to hook things up. The cabling on this one is supposed to be a lot simpler, and there's an easy diagram. This one does have the inline capability to play HDR, I think it was, where the other one you had to use some kind of an adapter or something, or you had to leave something unplugged. They addressed that issue on this one. Okay, there's another box under here. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So we've got our manual. This is the converter box that you run through. There's your ports on the back, HDMI TV, HDMI PS4, and there you go, your 12-volt power supply, USB. Looks like it's got a tiny little fan in there. Oh, isn't that cute? And there's your two front ports. I'll figure out how to set all this up. This is just to show you what's in the box, what to expect, if there's anything different or missing from yours. Here's the headphones that come with it. This is interesting. We don't want to lose any of this. Whoops, I dropped the package on the cat. So this plugs into the back of the headset, I assume, or the side of the headset. Yeah, this is, well, I don't know, but they fit into the holes on the side of the headset, which we'll pull out now. Power supply, USB cable, nothing special in here, just components. Now for the big mamma jamma. I don't think there's nothing else in the box. Okay. Oh, there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the PlayStation VR 2.0. Okay. So here's the spot where those headphones will slide in. They're silicone. Of course, you can plug in your own headphones if you want. Get some bigger ones. I've heard that using your own is recommended because it's more immersive that way, but I'm going to try it just with what it comes with. So a few of the major differences I've noticed. The adjustment on this one is on the top. You hold this little button and it slides forward and backwards. So you can adjust the distance. Controls, you've got your volume down here and your mute. Volume up and down and mute. There's a speaker right here. Here's your power button. Whereas for those of you who have the first generation, all of the controls were in line on the cable here. It had a little brick there that would control all of that. And this is your cable that you can plug into the box and therefore into the PlayStation. You know, the quality of this cabling is really good. It's not something that most people usually comment on. It's kind of rubbery, very flexible, good weight to it. So, that's basically everything that comes in it. And I know it's not a super in-depth review, but it's just an unboxing. First impressions. That's what it is, PlayStation VR. And I don't really know much about the features yet. I still gotta learn about it. I don't want to move things around too much. The padding on here feels like rubber. I'm wondering if this has a fogging problem. I haven't really read anything about that, but I know the Gear VR had bad fogging problems. But I guess we'll find out when we test it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be posting some videos of VR gaming, and we're going to have some bloopers, some funny moments, and some really cool moments. So please tune in and check it out. YourLifeVR is officially now using the PlayStation VR. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.